I've done something irresponsible. Welcome to my, can't quite believe I'm saying this, G87 M2. This is my first proper drive in this car. I picked it up yesterday, so I've not driven this car in anger. I have not even gone full throttle yet because I wanted to save my reaction for you guys. I should have mentioned it's a manual. I think this is going to be a good new era of Mick drives cars. God, fuck. A few things about the car first. Sapphire black. UK cars get the carbon roof, carbon interior trim, carbon wheel trim as standard. It does not have the carbon bucket seats, but I sat in those, and as a larger guy, I couldn't get on with them. So my car has the standard seats, which are still pretty supportive, super adjustable, very nice. I mean, my Megane was a great car, but this is a different level, I think. I think we've leveled up. I want to thank everyone that watches these videos, because without you guys, I just couldn't do stuff like this. So I really appreciate every single one of you for helping me to achieve whatever the fuck this is. It's probably enough talking. Let's go and send her. Also, my car has the heads-up display. You're going to see this in the POV footage. You get the RPMs in the heads-up display in sport mode. So good. Do you know what? Even in sport mode, the suspension is so compliant. A lot of people say this car is stiff. Maybe the Megane was just unbearably stiff and I'm used to it. But in comfort mode, this is more comfortable than the Megane. And in sport mode, it's about the same. Second gear, national speed limit. I'm going to roll into it. God damn. Oh, it's good. It is good. Guys, what the fuck? It's really easy to drive fast. God, honestly, it's such a good car. Never really been into power, but it is nice to have. Why does it have this much power? But God, this car is fun. Right, I'm gonna have a rev match into this corner. God above. Why is it this fast? Honestly, what a machine. Let's have a downshift. Oh, yeah. Fucking Christ. That power is going to take some getting used to. Oh, should we go full throttle here? God, fuck. It has this great character that builds towards the red line. So it has tons of power around here at like 4,000 RPM, but it also builds towards the red line. It's and the brakes inspire a ton of confidence. You can really hustle this thing. God above. I'm actually going to adjust my bolsters because I'm sliding around a little bit more than I want to. That is nice. They're hugging me now, those bolsters. So I say, drop a gear. Should we try second? I think we might try second. Christ. Oh. Sounds great, goes great, stops great. Pretty fucking happy with this thing. This is a serious bit of kit. And you know what? It's really sticky. You can floor it here, and the back doesn't really do any weirdness. And then just driving it normally, right? Here, let me show you something. If we go into setup, and I just back off the chassis to comfort, it's actually exceptionally comfy. My Megane RS was never this comfortable. My Megane RS was somewhere in between Sport and Sport Plus, I think. But it's like, it just glides. Yeah, you get a little bit of jiggle. You feel some of the imperfections. If you go through a hole, you're gonna know about it. But it just takes the edge off. And especially at higher speeds, it has this floaty character that's just really nice. 1 second. I want Sport Plus suspension just to mess around with it. Yes, no, that's what I wanted. Fuck, no. How do I get the... Oh, it's in a live vehicle, isn't it? There we go. Okay. Let's get around this corner and let's see how it feels. Holy fucking shit! Ah! Fuck, it feels so good. Why does it feel that good? Oh my god, I really fucking like this car. Oh my god. I'm gonna do it again. Second. Third. In the corner. Whoa, okay. This is very illegal. And you can be an absolute idiot with it. Like, I'm just going around corners and flattening the throttle, and it's just hooking up. It's so confidence inspiring. What on earth is this vehicle I've purchased? I like the noise it makes when I release the accelerator. Are you guys hearing this? Listen. You lift off the accelerator and it goes, "Blah." Really like that. She a good car. She a good car. I mean, I did all that. The oil temp didn't. The oil temp's gone down. Yeah, this car can take a beating. You can just tell, like, it feels overbuilt. It feels like they made it to do pulls like that non-stop all day long. It has so much torque. This is something that I am not used to because my Megane had no torque. If you wanted to go anywhere, you had to get the engine all the way up the rev band. Now this car has that same character. It builds towards the red line, but then it also has torque. So it's like, it just has power everywhere. You get the best of all worlds. If you want to accelerate in fifth, I mean, that's like a quarter throttle, and I'm at the speed limit. It's very easy to drive and live with. Let me show you just how fucking fast this car is. God above, it's fucking stupid. Why is it this fast? I can't quite get over it. This entire road is just a third gear road, which is quite nice. Makes it quite easy, so I can experience all the different aspects of the car. God above. Power out of this corner. Oh god, I forgot I was in Sport Plus suspension actually. Oh yeah. Yeah, so you definitely feel, but it's not harsh at all. I forgot I was in it. You definitely feel like there's an edge now, but it's not uncomfortable. It's actually pretty impressive. Well, that was a ton of fun. That's the end of my road now. The thing with a car like this is that, if we're being honest, this car is so much faster than I am. So realistically, it's gonna take me a little while to really suss this thing, what it can and can't do. Me and this car, we're starting to develop a little bit of a bond. It is very fast, and I'm starting to understand it. I want to be able to tap into what it can do, and it can do so much more than what we've done here today. There's going to be tons of videos on this car. We're going to talk about how to drive manual. We're going to talk about rev matching. We're going to talk about all sorts of stuff to do with the manual gearbox. Thank you once again for making stuff like this possible for me. I never would have thought. Yeah. Thank you all. That's it. Bye.